welcome back to no, Amma. No, okay, calm down. Hi, Mama. Beba, love you, Chona. क्यों गुस्सा हो रहा है तू क्यों गुस्सा हो रहा है? Like, Tea's here because she's looking at the squirrels and the kids. Hi my loves and welcome back to another paint challenge. So in today's video I'm going to be using color purple and thank you so much आप सबने मुझे इतने सारे color options already दे दिए हैं. Don't worry, I'm going to be covering each and every one of them in the future videos, so stay tuned. Alright, अभी जल्दी से अपने सारे purple shades बाहर निकालते हैं and let's create something very interesting and cool out of it. Let's get started. Oh my god! So to begin with, I have all these beautiful purple shades and on the background, I'm going to be using this kind of flat brush and very light shade of purple. This is very intentionally done because I want it to be super light, only the purple shade should be visible, that's it. Also, when we move towards the center part, I'm keeping it very bright in color because it's going to be the brightest part only on the center. We're intentionally doing that because so many cute and many other elements are going to come on top of it, so you need to wait to see that. Once it is dried, I'm also going to be just roughly going and adding this kind of cloud. Don't worry if you don't want to do it, you can always skip this because so many other elements and trees are going to come on top of it, so this is absolutely optional. Once I do that, now I'm going to be adding some trees on top of it. By now it is completely dry. So I picked up this dark shade of purple and by using this kind of pointed, basically it's a filbert brush, you can use round brush or anything that you want, trying to create some branches like this. Keep the corner ends as fine as possible because it's going to look more natural. Just make the center trunk part little, thick in shape and then the outermost branches as fine as possible to give that kind of realistic tree look. So once we do that, now I'm going to be using this kind of stencil brush. I dipped it on this color, and if in case you don't have this brush, you can use any flat brush. I'm also going to be using that in the later part of the video, so you can have an idea of how you can use a basic flat brush and create this kind of leaf effect on the center. It's just going to be tap, 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 and your leaves are all ready. Let's quickly do that. As you can see, I switched over to a basic flat brush and I'm trying to create a heart-like shape on the center. So that's the goal that we wanted to achieve, this kind of shape in particular. So I'm just going to be doing that. Now it's time to add some clouds on the center, so I'm going to be adding this very light pigment of purple shade and just moving around my brush like this in this circular motion and trying to create some clouds. Remember, we want the center area to be the brightest, so do not add a lot of clouds because so many other things are going to come on top. And now I'm going to be increasing the intensity of white color to the same color mix that I have, and I'm just trying to create protruding and 3D effect to my leaves, basically trying to create a more natural looking tree here. Adding this kind of outline by using this white color so that we can add that beautiful reflection of light falling on the tree like this. So just use a pointed round brush and add these white fine lines around the tree like this. Once it was done on the center area, I decided to add some hot air balloons. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप यही hot air balloons इसके बीच में बनाएं. You can also paint birds. You can, okay, why don't you try something and share that with me? Maybe you will create something more unique and interesting. So it's just going to be very random. Try to add them of different sizes. First up, I'm just glazing it by using some purple shade, and then I'll be adding some white color intentionally only on the centermost part to get that kind of round and curved area on the center. So let's quickly do that and add so many flying hot air balloons on the sky like this. Some more highlights and shadow and some more detailings on the balloons so that they look very realistic. So once it was done, then I picked up this very pointed round brush and I'm trying to extend some leaves here. You can use the lighter shade of purple or white color directly and just create tiny little leaves here. It is definitely going to enhance the look of the painting, at the same time make it look much more realistic, as if some leaves and all these branches are coming out from that area. So that's going to give a very beautiful 3D look. So you can always do that. And now let's finish up the look by adding some more detailings and see how it turns out to be. And here it is. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed painting this with me, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Get quiet. Yeah, Mama. Mama's shooting. Mama's shooting. Mama's shooting.